Feeling sluggish and low on energy? What if I told you that you can naturally cleanse your body from toxins and feel revitalized? Let's dive into some effective detox methods you can start today. Detoxing isn't just a fad, it's a way to give your body the reset it needs. Our bodies encounter toxins daily from food, environment, and stress, so cleansing is essential for our overall health. First up, hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keep your organs functioning optimally. Add lemon or cucumber for an extra detox boost. Next, consider herbal teas. Dandelion, green tea, and ginger tea are excellent choices that can aid digestion and enhance detoxification. Sip on these daily for best results. Don't forget your fiber. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains help bind toxins in the digestive tract and promote regular bowel movements, making detox easier. Moving on, exercise is a natural detox method. Physical activity boosts circulation and helps your body sweat out toxins. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement daily. Finally, don't underestimate the power of mindfulness. Stress can hinder detox processes, so practices like meditation and yoga can help calm your mind and support your body's natural cleansing abilities. By incorporating these natural detox methods into your routine, you'll cleanse your body, boost your energy, and feel your best. Remember, always consult a healthcare professional before starting any detox program. Want more health tips? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your favorite detox method in the comments below.